So, hello. We have here our kinematic equations. So, we have the big four kinematic equation. That is first, we have D. D is equal to V sub I times T plus 1/2 AT squared. Then second, we have V sub F squared is equal to V sub I squared plus 2AD. Then we have V of F is equal to V sub I plus A times T. Then we have D is equal to the quantity of V sub I plus V sub F all over 2 times T. Okay, so to use this equation, we'll refer sa given available na mga given sa isa ka problem. So, let's try to solve some problems. So, example number 1, Ima is approaching a stoplight moving with a velocity of positive 30 meter per second. So, positive 30 meter per second. The light turns yellow and Ima applies the brakes and skids to a stop. If Ima's acceleration is negative 8 meter per second squared, then determine the displacement of the car during the skidding process. So first step na to is find the given. So we have here the given. What are the given? So we have here velocity. This is our velocity initial. That is positive 30 meter per second. Take note that ito ang positive and negative indicates the direction. Then we have our velocity final. What is our velocity final? So our velocity final is 0 since nag-stop siya. Wala na velocity, so that means 0 meter per second. Then we have the acceleration, negative 8 meter per second squared. Okay. Then we have here, determine the displacement. So displacement ang ginapangita, D is equal to question mark. That is ang ginapangita. Okay. With the given, so with the given provided from the problem, asa sa big four equation na itong gamiton. So we have VI. So we have V of F, then we have A and D. So we have dire, we don't have time, so dire na siya pwede gamiton. Okay, pwede ba ne? Okay, so kining na time, dili pwede gamiton because wala tayo given time sa problem. So ang only na bilin is this one. So muna siya itong gamiton. So we have V F of F squared is equal to VI squared plus 2A D. So after that, we're going to substitute our values. So we have velocity final, 0 meter per second, quantity squared is equal to initial 30, positive 30 meter quantity squared plus 2. What is our acceleration? It's negative 8 meter per second squared. And our D is, that is distance. After that, so we can now, this is equal to 0. This is equal to 30 squared, that is 30 times 30. Wait. Okay. 30 times 30, that is, or 30 squared, it is equal to 900 meters squared per second squared plus, okay, 2 times negative 8, this is negative 16, so this is negative 16 meter per second squared times D. Okay, after that, we're going to transpose. So, transpose natin ni, so we have, or transpose this one, so transpose. So, transpose this to the other side. So, we have negative, that will be positive 16 meter per second squared. D is equal to 900 meters squared per second squared. After that, we're going to divide both sides by 16. So D will be now 900 meters squared per second squared all over 16 meter per second squared. So let's solve that one. 900 divided by 16. That is 56 point. Okay, this is cancel out ang second squared. Ang mabilin is second meter. So this will be 56.25 meters. So this is the displacement. This positive. Displacement of the car during the skidding process, that is 56.25 meter. Okay? So, that is for this example number 1. Okay, so we have here example number 2. So, Ben is waiting to a stoplight. So, when it finally turns green, Ben accelerated from a rest at a rate of 6 meters per second squared for a time of 4.10 seconds. Determine the displacement of the car. So we have here a given, our given acceleration. We have from a rest, so this is our initial velocity. So this is our VI, this is our A. And for a time of 4.10 seconds, so we have time. Determine the displacement, so we have D. So we have D, VI, A, and T. So we have D, VI, A, and T. So D, VI. So we have here, kinetohang gamiton, our first equation. So that is D given, we have VI, that is 0 meter per second. Our acceleration is 6 meters per second squared. And our time is 4.10 seconds. So determine the displacement. So our D is unknown. Question mark. So we have here, we're going to substitute, use this equation. D is equal to VI times T plus 1/2 AT squared. So we're going to substitute the given. So we have D is unknown. VI is 0 meter per second. And our time, we have 4.10 seconds. Plus 1/2 our acceleration, 6 meter per second squared. And our time, 4.10 second quantity squared. After that, 0 times 4.10, that is 0. Plus 1/2 times 6 meter per second squared. What is 4.10 squared? That is 4.10 squared. So we have 16.81 seconds squared. So after that, we can now solve for our displacement. So 1/2 times 6, that is 3 meter per second squared, times 16.81 seconds squared. Take note that we have here seconds squared over seconds, then this is second, so cancel out. So ang matira na lang is yung meter. So we have 16.81 divided by, 16.81 times 3, that is 50.43 meters. So, ito yung displacement ni Ben. Okay? Easy lang. So, my question. So, if my question, kindly write down your question, then you can ask me tomorrow about your questions. Okay, may question ba? If wala, proceed tayo. So another example, we have here example number 3. Example number 3. A bicycle traveling 5 meters per second skids to a stop in 2.55 seconds. To determine the skidding distance of the bicycle, so we have here our given 5 meters per second, this is our velocity initial, and our time. So determine the distance, that's our D. So we have V, I, T, and D. So to a stop, so this will be 0 meter per second. This is our velocity final. So we have our given D, VI, VF, and T. So we have D, VI, VF, and this we don't have acceleration. So we cannot use the first, second, and third. So we're going to use this equation. Okay, write the given. So what will be our given? So our given will be VI, or velocity initial is 5 meter per second, and our velocity final, that is 0 meter per second. And our time, this is 2.55 seconds. And our D is unknown. So formula to use. So we have V is equal to VI plus VF over 2 times our time. Okay, so we're going to solve this one. So let us substitute the given to the formula. So D is equal to, what is our velocity initial? That is 5 meter per second. Plus 0 meter per second. All over 2 times our time, 2.55 seconds. So this will be 5 meter per second over 2 times 2.55 seconds. So we can cancel out seconds. So 5 over 2 times 2.55, or 5 over 2 multiplied to 2.55, that will be 6.375 meters, or approximately to decimal places, that is 6.38 meters. So this is the skidding distance of the bicycle. Okay, so we have now discussed 3 examples. So proceed tayo sa last example using this equation. Example number 4. So we have here our last problem. So Chuck is riding the giant giraffe at Great America. So if Chuck free falls for 2.6 seconds, what will be his final velocity? So we have here free fall. This is our acceleration, that is negative 9.8 meter per second squared. And this is our time, 2.6 seconds. So what will be his final velocity? So VF yung hinahanap natin. So since it's a free fall, so our given will be, so we have acceleration, that is negative 9.8 meter per second squared. Our time of 2.6 seconds. Our initial velocity. And our final velocity is unknown. So our initial velocity is 0 meter per second. So since let's measure from the top. So that is 0 meter per second, your initial velocity. So we have here our AT, VI, and our F. So we can use this third equation. So we have V of F is equal to V of I plus AT, and in V sub F is equal to V sub I plus A times T. So we can now substitute our given. So our V sub I, that is 0 meter per second, plus our acceleration, it is negative 9.8 meter per second squared. And our time is 2.6 seconds. So cancel out yung isang second dito. Ang matira na lang is second. So our final velocity will be negative 9.8 times 2.6. So this is negative 25.48 meter per second. So this is the final velocity of our Chuck. So this is the final velocity of Chuck. Okay, that's the final velocity. Okay, again, if you have question, can you write down your question? I will entertain your questions tomorrow. So again, thank you for listening from beginning to the end. I hope you understand something from this recorded discussion. Bye-bye.